Hey everybody, Cowboy here. Today we take a look at the gold chart on a bit of a lower time frame. We talk about what might happen over the next several hours. We hope you enjoy it. If you stick around after this quick video, you can see more about what we do and how to find us over at Algo Factory. Also at the bottom of the screen right now, you can see the QR code and the website. For now, enjoy the video. So looking at gold right now, it's actually coming off a pretty decent run down. So it had a really big impulse down. And so it is going to have some upward energy. But, we're on the 3-hour chart. So this is a pretty high time frame look. To really look at the impulse from a high time frame aspect, it's the entire move down. So let me draw that impulse so you all can see that. If I were to zoom out on a high time frame, it would look like this. Okay, so you got a lot of up down on the way. So you got a lot of smaller impulse and retracements on the way. But if you zoom out, it's going to look like what I just drew. We got Jay Martin in the house. Gold. So is NUGT like is that a minor? We can look at that if you want. Of course, we got Valentine in the house as well. For now, we'll finish our gold analysis. So gold may want to retrace a bit because it has, it's flipped around. It started to head back up. And just for confluence, I'll map out the fib levels, 786, 618. It's already at the 382 now. If the move down was really strong, then it might stop at the 382 or barely go above it and head down. But that's just going to depend on where all the volume is and a few other things that depend on the market in general, because a lot of gold moves can have a fundamental edge to them. But usually, if it is a fundamental edge to a gold move, from what I've seen, it's not a very big one. Usually those fundamental moves are at a shorter term, outside of, some war or some crazy thing erupting. But price is going to be attracted to two clear areas here. One is going to be right at 1936 area. The other is going to be here at the 1960 type area. It'll be attracted to that, but it's not necessarily going to go in a straight line. So, and again, we're on a 3-hour chart, so you're looking back like a whole month right now. This is a pretty broad chart time wise. So the opportunities, there's numerous opportunities to trade and the day trade on this on the way down. Lots of longs, lots of shorts. So we're not looking at just one direction here, if you take my meaning. So here is this two areas in the box where price is going to get attracted to, and we'll code those orange. That is not the right place. Okay, that's the text. Style code orange. Okay. So these orange boxes, if you will, are where price will be attracted to, because what we have is prior volume. So, this is a place where a lot of price action happened in the past on the way down. And where that happened is where price is going to be attracted to, right? As well as these fib levels. So now that we have this established, I'm going to erase this 782 fib level. I'm going to erase the fib. I'm going to cut down on the noise. This 1950 level is important. It is the 618 and there is volume there. So I'll keep that. The 382 actually is where price might reject, to be honest, because there are gaps in volume in this area. So it wouldn't surprise me to see price not want to go past the box that I just drew, which I will code teal, if you will. Try not to say code blue right now. Here you go. All right. So that's a place where price could reject, and there is another spot where price could reject, which is up here in this area. So, gold has a rocky kind of a slope to climb, if you will. And if price can make it through this first area, let's zoom in a little bit here. If price can make it through this, say 1920 to 1930 1926 to 1932 area, it's going to definitely want to fill in and grab liquidity from this, say, 1934 to 1937 area. So, what we could see happen is right now there is, it is going to want to take a break based on my algo. There's a good chance that price in its current state, let me grab this path here, it might pull maybe like one of these before that. And that's the trade I was betting on. And it didn't work out. I was early. Doesn't mean I was wrong. So I may actually take that trade again if the algo gives me permission to do so. And then it might head up here. But also before it gets there, it could simply reject and head down. And of course, it might reject at the top of this area here. Or it might go all the way up here and be attracted to there. So what we're going to do, at least what I'm going to do, is I'm taking this level by level. Okay. So, I am, this is funny, Jay Martin. This is Jay Martin's comment in the comment section. Of course, he's just kidding. Nothing we say is investment advice, and clearly Jay Martin is not giving us investment advice. He's having fun. We also got a good morning from Cool Cat. Good to see you on here. Yeah, so we're just going to take it level by level. If I see that my algo says there's going to be a rejection at current levels, then I'll go ahead and take that short yet again. It was a beautiful risk to reward. I think it was like 3-1 or something like that. So definitely a trade worth risking. But that's gold for the moment. So we are live every weekday, 8:30 AM EST, giving out free content. Come check us out on YouTube. Come talk to us. Go over to the website. That's www.algofactory.tech. Again, www.algofactory.tech. And for a limited time promotional offer, we are giving out memberships at $49.99 a month. There's a ton that we're offering over there. Come see what that's about. Also, you can see our Twitter link. All the links are up on YouTube. Come talk to us on social media. See us on the live YouTube videos. We hope to see you soon.